Yeah, so guys, this is episode 5 of Going for the Prestige. And the sound's still going on somehow. So it's not from the map drone. And I've had 6 kills already. This is gonna actually annoy me. I think it might be like, because I think this, the system got hacked yesterday. I think that this might be what they've done. Make it just so everyone can hear a freaking moth just when they're playing. If I'm the only one that has this, I'm gonna be so pissed off. I'm actually only just starting to get used to it. I might type up on the internet what to do if your PlayStation's making a moth noise. Oh yeah, that's Semtex Guardian Good. Anyways. Alright, that's ours. I keep thinking that's a person. I'm trying really hard not to get angry. You don't like me when I'm angry. So yeah, that's the first half done. And I can still hear the freaking sound. It's definitely not someone's mic. I really don't know what this is. So yeah, second part, my thing just disconnected, so I'm just gonna leave that out of the video. And I've still got the moth noise, which is such a joy. Oh. Two kills, 12 deaths. I think the moth noise is starting to make me play well.